often services like Editage's GA service support researchers improving their visuals and impact. Well, very clear. They have been doing this professionally for quite some time. They know the principles of design very well. They have the repositories of icons, of layouts, of illustrations, also for more complex projects at hand. So it's much easier for them to do that. And they have been working on this very well. They can also help you improve certain smaller parts, for example, just adding certain symbols, getting one of these important feedback sessions in from really a professional to improve what you might already have as a version 1. And they can talk this through with you. They will have an unbiased view on what the message could be, and that should align with you, and they can then make that vision, that idea that you want to bring across, come to life.